My main concern about my health care is that I've been working with this wound for 5 years, and Neogen has really come in and took care of it very professionally. When she comes in, she interviewed me, and then she proceeds to clean my wound, and she cleans it very professionally because she talks to me about it and asks me if there's any pain.
Well, what I do first is I come in and I want to assess his whole foot, make sure that there's no redness or irritation, we don't have any drainage, that the wound bed looks clean, and his wound bed looks very good, very well taken care of. I'll take off the bandage and just assess the area, clean his wound, and ask for pain or if there's any changes in his condition.
The employees of Neogen are very caring person because they talk to you about what they're doing and they try to help you and set your goals to it. Well, the first time I had experience with Neogen is when the physical therapist came by and they explained everything they was going to do with me, and they showed me what to do, and they gave me some brochures to do the exercises. And this is the first time that I really had experience with a company like this, because they were very knowledgeable about everything, and they explained exactly what they was going to do and why that exercise is important to you.
What we do is after a patient has been to the hospital and in home, what we're going to do is strive to make them better, more independent. We're going to have them be a part of their own care plan. We're going to take care of their needs on multiple levels, whether it be nutrition or vitals or wound care. Make sure that we treat the whole patient.
Oh my goodness, I'll give Neogen a 10.
Neogen has been a wonderful experience for me and my family. The staff that they have taken their time to explain the whole process of the wound vac and done a wonderful job.
So home health care is when we go to the patient's house and provide them care there. A lot of times the patients have been to a skilled nursing facility where they were like maybe having an IV antibiotic where they needed a nurse every day. So they were there, but now because they don't need that care, they can go home, but they need somebody to take care of their wounds or help them with their medication. So this is where home health takes place. Oh yes, I'm really happy the way Michael's wound is looking now. Being a diabetic, it's doing good. It's a slow healing process, but I think he has great help at home with his daughter, his wife, who really take care of him and give him a good diet that helps heal the wound.
I think that if a family needs health care, Neogen, I would recommend. They have done a great job with me and encouraged my family. They've done an excellent job, and I would recommend them to anybody that needed health care. Being in the hands of Neogen Care, the safety, the professionalism that they use with their skilled nurses, with my wound vac, I'm completely relaxed when they come in, and I feel that it's to my benefit having them as my skilled nursing facility. My main concern is that my health, being compromised with diabetes and my age, with the coronavirus pandemic as it is now, the staff that they have are very safe. They're always wearing a mask and they're always explaining what they're doing.
We have good clinicians who work well, whether it be wounds or whichever care, physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, social services, that we offer all these, and that especially at this time of COVID, that we are screening the patients. And if there's any clinician who has been exposed to COVID, the clinician gets quarantined for 14 days too. So at this moment especially, it's really safe for the patients to know that all those precautions are being maintained.
I would say that I'm 90% better today because of the care, and the nurses that have come out to the house really helped me heal.
My name is James Powell. I've had a stroke, and I'm kind of getting back on the good foot, so to speak. So things are going pretty good with me. The doctors referred me to Neogen care because they thought they could help me better myself, and they've done this. You know, I'm happy with this service. They're good with answering my questions if I have any. So I'm good with all of that, and I would suggest anybody that's doing the same thing I'm doing as far as needing help would come this way, because it is helping me, and it's something that I feel like everybody can do if they listen, you know, which I think most of the time I don't listen, but I hear them, so it makes a difference.